Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix the sign out is not available due to restrictions error on your iPhone. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Settings app and make sure your device is updated to the latest version available. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on the Screen Time feature. Again, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Turn Off Screen Time. Again, tap on Turn Off Screen Time to confirm the action. If you can't turn it off or you don't have such an option, then you will need your parent Apple ID user to turn it off for you. After turning it off, get back to the home page of the app, scroll to the top and tap on the profile banner at the top. Now, scroll down and the sign out feature will now become available. If the error still persists, get to the General tab from the home page, then scroll down to the Reset feature and tap on it. Now, the only way to solve this error is to reset your device. This will erase all your data and settings, so make sure to back up your device before proceeding. So that's basically how you can fix the sign out is not available due to restrictions error on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.